Stop kidding yourself. Your current income is not sufficient. The world has changed, and relying solely on our primary income may not be sufficient to sustain basic needs. It's wise to seek an extra income from a side hustle, something you're passionate about, something that comes naturally to you. At MindFuel, we provide granulated information and resources to enhance your career, personal development, and business mindset. Today, we'll share with you 5 top reasons you should have a side hustle. Let's dive in. Reason number 1, the most relatable reason, is additional income. More money helps you to solve a lot of your material problems, pay your bills on time, lets you save money for future investment, and more money to meet your needs. A side hustle supplements your primary income, serving as a safety net for unforeseen expenses or helping you save for specific goals like buying a car, getting out of debt, or going on vacation. Reason number 2, inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time. A side hustle helps you combat this by providing extra income, ensuring your financial stability in the face of economic changes. If wages do not keep pace with inflation, you may experience a decline in your real income, despite nominal wage increases. Let's say inflation increases by 3% over a 5-year period, and your wages remains stagnant or is increased by only 2%, your purchasing power could be eroded, making you have less money to spend as prices of goods and services go up. It's now inevitable for inflation not to occur in the world, so it's certain that the cost of bread in 2030 will be higher than what it is in 2024. And there is a chance you don't get a raise at work in 5 years. There are quite a number of reasons to have a side hustle. Keep watching the video as reason number 5 will transform your mind about side hustle, and you will be surprised at who it can make you become. Let's keep going. Reason number 3, layoffs. In today's world, job layoffs are more common. Companies, especially during economic downturns, prioritize cost-cutting measures than to have a large wage bill, which often resulting in job cuts. Statistics shows that in 2023, alone from January to May, Meta, the parent company of Facebook, laid off about 11,000 and did more layoff of about another 10,000 workers between November to December of 2023. Shopify did same in May of 2023, which impacted about 2,000 of its workforce. Even the biggest online store, Amazon, shut down some divisions of its business and laid off 18,000 of its staff in January of 2023. You must understand that wages is a major overhead expense for companies, and they try to cut down their workforce when revenue drops or when it's going through a recession. Losing your job abruptly can be devastating, and your financial plans could go awry. Having a side hustle not only gives a buffer during such times, it gives you the emotional stability to plan properly to get another job or take the plunge to explore your passion in your side hustle. Reason number 4, technological advancement. Technology scales work and has gradually reduced the work of humans. This is evident with the capabilities of artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. A number of people lost jobs in the tech space when ChatGPT came on board, and this may keep happening as the technology is fine-tuned. A good example is in the business of haulage and trucking. The driverless trucks, also known as autonomous trucks or self-driving trucks, are the vehicles equipped with advanced technologies that enable them to operate and navigate without the need for a human driver. Yes, you heard me right. No human. These trucks utilize a combination of sensors, cameras, radar, GPS, and artificial intelligence to perceive and interpret the surrounding environment, which enables the truck to make decisions and control itself on the road. These trucks will automate the transportation of goods and eliminate the need for human drivers. The technology has the potential to revolutionize the trucking industry by offering added benefits such as increased safety, improved efficiency, reduced labor costs, and 24/7 operation. To put the potentials of these types of trucks in literal terms is to say that the trucks will not call in sick. They don't get drunk or fall asleep no matter how long they work. Companies like Waymo, Too Simple, and Aurora are among the leaders in developing autonomous driving systems specifically for trucks. Testing and pilot programs have been conducted in several regions, mainly in the US, with the aim of refining the technology and addressing regulatory and safety consideration. Just imagine what could happen to the jobs of truck drivers when this technology has been fine-tuned. You guessed right. Reason number 5, scaling up, or scaling your side hustle. This basically refers to the process of transitioning from your part-time or side hustle into a full-time, sustainable business that generates significant income and occupies a larger portion of your professional focus and time, and over time can bring you enormous wealth. Running your side business can be a valuable learning experience for you. It allows you to test business ideas, understand market dynamics, and develop entrepreneurial skills without the full commitment and risk of quitting your main job. When you eventually see the potential and fully understand the trends and pitfalls of the side hustle, it is only then you can decide to go full scale. But I strongly advise, before you take the plunge, please do your due diligence. Do the market research, do your profitability analysis, have a very solid business plan, share the business plan with experienced business advisors, get a consultant in the field you wish to jump into, and ensure you have an idea of the worst-case scenario. Then weigh your options and see if it's something you think you can handle. Then take the plunge. We have some real-life examples of individuals that have scaled up their side hustles. Some well-known examples are Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, Jack Dorsey, founder of Twitter, Kevin Systrom, co-founder of Instagram, Steve Jobs, and Steve Wozniak, founders of Apple. Facebook also started as a dorm room side project for its founders. So you see, you may never know what your side business may become. And do understand that a lot of sacrifice, determination, and dedication is in the mix of building your side hustle. So, do you have a side hustle? Find one. Click the like and the subscribe button to see videos where we'll share wonderful ideas, information, and resources that will fuel your mind to personal growth and financial freedom, regardless of your financial standing or age. Thank you for watching the Mind Fuel channel.